Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to type on an image in Microsoft Word. To start, open your Word document. Here you can see both the text and the image. Then select the image. You are going to go to the Picture Format menu and click on Wrap Text. When doing so, select the option behind text. You just have to move the image over the text, and you can see that the text will be inside the image. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.